first I want this shit out my way so I can get inside there. You know what I'm saying? So when I wire it, I know where the wire is going. So a couple clips here and 10s. Take those off. Take these off right here. Boom, 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 boom. All of them. Okay, this is easier because they don't have this shit in it. Let's do that one first. These first. Okay, now let's remove the 10. These 10s. Shit, don't let those drop. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Okay. Boom. Take these out. See, it should be breaking sometimes, so that's why I put anti-seize in them. All of them, because they be rusted in there sometimes. Now let's pull this up and away. Sometimes it breaks over here. Most common shit breaks right here. Should be breaking. So this one already broke a little bit. All right, I'm gonna need 2 hands to pop this out. Okay, so as soon as you pop this out, you're gonna see these tabs over here. You gotta open up with a flathead or with your finger. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If you didn't see the grills video, this is sort of like it. Take this off, taking this off. You gotta push this inwards. See these? Push it in. And yeah. Okay. Open this up. Like so. Okay. Pull this out. Like so. Push this through. Like so. Let me get a needle nose. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'll be right back. All you gotta do is squeeze these and push it through. Okay, once you remove this thing, you see how there's a lot more space here? A lot more space. So I'm gonna take off the emblem. Let's take off the emblem. All you gotta do is pull on it and it should come off. You know what I'm saying? So, well, you see these. I'll show you. I don't know if you see it. They're right. Let's see. Okay. See those tabs right there? There's one here and one right there. Just gotta push it back on it and push it forward. Both sides. Push it back, push it forward. Just like that. Not gonna need this one. There you go. There you go. Take it out. That's it. That's it right here. See? Just powering the ground, 2 wires. That's it, man. Powering ground. This shit lights up. Okay. Let's slap this shit on there. Same way you took it out, but with a cord. Pretty much. So you might have to drill a hole in this shit. You might. We'll see. Let's see. You might have to, so it's not obvious. I want to drill a hole so it's more clean. So I might drill a hole in there. Let's see. Like I said, it's up to you if you want to drill a hole. I put mine right here. So I'm gonna stick the wire through there. And yeah, that's where I want it. But if you're not doing it, the wire will go like under here. Put a hole, put it through this hole or this hole. Or some people do this hole. It's up to you. But I put mine right here. Okay, so let's put the wire in first. Okay, see, wires fit. Put it right through in there. Pull on it and put the emblem on. All you gotta do is push it in. Okay, so once you do that, push it in. I'm gonna wire this up all the way over here. See, you gotta take this off right here. Damn, my hands is ashy. Sheesh. Anyways, yeah, you see, pull this away. Side, I'm gonna tap into the wire that goes to the parking light back there. You see this wire? I'm gonna tap it in here. This wire. So when this parking light turns on, the emblem turn on. You know what I'm saying? Some people will do the daily running lights. You have to go to the actual harness right here with a test light. See which one is the harness by switching the switch on and off. I'm gonna just put mine on the parking light right here, or we could do this one on the parking light right here. Not the signal bulb. There's a signal wire and there's a parking wire. Okay, so you could do that too, but I'm gonna put mine over here. See, I took the whole thing out. I twisted it off. So the green is the power and the white and black is the ground. Okay, so green power, white and black stripe, ground. Okay, so I'm trying to tuck it in here, put it all together. Okay, let's do that now. Okay, so I'm gonna use these to connect the wires. These are the best, man. I don't have to splice shit. It splice itself. I don't know what they call these shits, but these shits work. All right, so I'm gonna connect everything, and you'll see after. And this will be in handy too. If you have these are good, because I could just cut that whole shit and just put my shit on there. All right, a little smaller, but this is good enough. This will do. All right, let's connect this shit. For those who don't know what this is, all you do is put it where the wire is that you want to splice. Put it in first, like this. So when you do that, all you do is put the wire that you want to splice right on the top. Well, I'm gonna switch sides. I'm gonna flip it around. Okay, see, flipped it around. All I gotta do is put the black wire ground right under here and squeeze, push the top down and put the cap on. Okay, just like that. Boom, just like this. See, now it's all good. Now let's do the other one. So when you get that, get your sleeve, whatever you call this shit, you put it in there like that. Now I'm gonna take some duct tape and just go around this thing. Okay, once you're done putting your bulbs in, if you change the bulb, make sure you do the other side. Same shape, peel this off and slap that shit on and put it back like so. Boom, boom. Same thing with the other side. Slap the shit in. Boom, boom. And most important, your cover. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna put it in there. And yeah, I'll be back. Make sure before you put all this back, you test this works. You know what I'm saying? Let's test just in case. I'm pretty sure it works. Pretty confident it works. Boom! Look at that. Yes, sir. Look at that. Yup. Okay. Once you put this aligned together, put your 10s, 4 up here. Okay. Man, it's fucking cold, so cold, man. Look at my ashy socks. Get some lotion. Put the clips over here. After you're done tightening these things. Alright, let's put the clips on. Clips. Okay, make sure you test that the emblem works before you put the top piece on, because you don't want to take that shit off, because that shit's already a bitch to come off, man. It's just a bitch to come off. You know what I'm saying? So, that should be it. If I helped you out, you already know, man. Give me a thumbs up, smash that like button, smash that shit,
And don't forget to subscribe. Till next time. Later.